I think this has reinvigorated creativity back into this platform, and
I believe to be the pinnacle of the Ender 3 series. And in my opinion, this iteration of the Ender 3 sets new standards for excellence in its class.
The quality is the best I've ever seen from a bed slinger.
Remarkable speed, impeccable style, and introducing the innovative Core XZ kinematics.
So the Ender 3 V3 runs at 600 millimeters per second. The Core X and Z axis are rigged together on the belt, so they basically work together, which Creality states is what makes it so fast. Everything is automated. Bed leveling is perfect. No calibration was needed after assembly. It can definitely be a starter printer.
I'm especially excited to be able to print larger things on a larger version of this, the 300 by 300 Ender 3. I think that is going to be an awesome move for this platform.
And really, there's only one thing that I'd like to see improved upon, and that's the size. So watch this space.
The Ender 3 V3 build volume is 220 by 220 by 250, which is a standard Ender build plate. I do wish they could have given us 305 millimeters in height.